Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at one of our 5.5-foot skid assemblies. This one is named the KRAKEN. It includes a 12-volt soft wash system and a 5.5-gallon pressure washer. From the front here, you can see we've got 3 of our Titan hose reels. This forward-facing one, actually it's the rear of the skid, is 200 foot of the 1/2-inch soft wash hose. And these are all Titan hose reels. They're aluminum framed with stainless steel manifolds. And then they also have the locking pins in them as well. And then we have 200 feet of our 3/8 pressure washer hose. And then the one that would be facing curbside is 100 feet of the 3/4 inch garden hose. Down below we have our soft wash system and our pressure washer. So from here we actually have the pump mounted directly on the underside of this table. We have our metering manifolds just over on the on the passenger side. That meters your water, your surfactant, and your bleach. And the nice thing about it is our bleach valve, which is this one here. This actually has numbers on it that go up to 6. And what that means is, assuming that you're using 12.5% bleach, then those numbers will indicate what concentrate you're actually applying with your soft wash system if your water valve is all the way open. So if you have 50% water and you have 50% bleach, you would be applying at about 6% with both of those valves all the way open. We have our charger for the soft wash system that just plugs into a standard 110 volt outlet, and then it charges the 12 volt deep cycle battery that is on board here for the soft wash system. Below the bleach valve, we have our flush valve. You just flip that back and forth whenever you want to rinse with water, or you flip it back whenever you want to be able to draw your bleach again through the system. So it's an easy way to keep your system rinsed out or to use your soft wash to apply water. And then the power switch for it, easily accessible from the rear of the skid. We have our pressure washer here, 3,000 PSI. Sorry, I keep making Abby get up and down to do these. 3,000 PSI, 5.5 gallon per minute. Up front, we've got our bleeder valve. That bleeds any of the air from the incoming water line. So clears out any of the air bubbles that can get stuck in the pump head, and it completely primes the pump head so you have an easy startup, and it's a lot less likely for anything to happen to the pump head whenever you start the system with air in it. So we'll get all that air bled out through that system. It is belt driven, and it has a GX390 engine. We'll come over to the driver's side to get a better look at everything. It is an electric start GX390. Your fuel fill is easily accessible. Key is easily accessible. This can be mounted in a truck or it can be mounted on a trailer. Depending on the size of van that you have, it can go into a van as well, as long as you've got accessibility to all of the components. There's a 12 volt battery that the electric start is powered off of for the pressure washer just behind it here. We've got plenty of these filters. You can see here, 1, 2, 3 of them. This filters the water before it goes into the water tank, and again filters it before it goes to the pressure washer and before it goes to the soft wash system. So we want to keep all of that debris out of the tank, and if anything does manage to get in there, there's another filtration system before it goes to your pumps. We have a 55-gallon water tank and a 55-gallon bleach tank, all of which are hooked up to all of these systems. And then on the other side, we've got our surfactant tank just below our garden hose fill. So all the way around, very easy to access the reels, especially in the back of a truck bed or on a trailer. The aluminum frame is built by Cedar Creek. These are super heavy duty skid frames that we've been using for years now with no issue at all. They hold up to their name for sure. And all of these pieces come with their accessories. You get your gun wand assembly for both systems, your J-rod with your soft wash system. So it comes as a complete, ready to go type of system. And whenever you order this or whenever you come to pick up, we provide the training for you so you're comfortable using your equipment before you even leave. And right now it's probably in the 40s in Ohio. So if you come up in the winter or when there's questionable weather, if it's going to get below the 40s or whatnot, or you're going to be in an area where it does get cold, we'll go ahead and winterize these systems for you if you are doing a winter pickup. Otherwise, in the summer, we'll just show you how the winterization works if you need to winterize it at the end of the year. and make sure that you're comfortable doing everything. But if you have any questions, feel free to take a look at our website, 3rpressurewashers.com, or you're more than welcome to give us a call. Thanks.